Hey Dekoni fans, today we're going to discuss upgrading the AKG 700 and 600 series headphones. I have right here a K612, but the instructions are the same for the 700 series. The first thing we did was upgrade the headband with two of our Dekoni nuggets. These simply use two-sided tape, peel that off, stick it right on in your desired shape, and you're good to go. Next, the pads are really smartly designed by AKG. You just rotate counterclockwise to unhook them, and then these bayonets, these little clips, will be used to attach our new pad, in this case the Elite Velour pads. Line it up with the clips. Actually, you can even fudge it and just rotate clockwise until you feel it snap into place. And you're all done.